Dear participants, as the director of the International Agency for Research on Cancer, or IARC, I'm pleased to address you for the opening of this school accelerating innovations in precision oncology. Professor Sabatier contacted me in early 2019 to collaborate on this initiative. The description he made was the following: the Precision Oncology Summer School is an accelerated learning program targeting a new generation of fixers who can apply creativity and human centered design to improve cancer outcomes, reduce inefficiencies, and improve the experiences for patients. Participants will emerge with novel research driven solutions for building productive partnerships and reducing bottlenecks in the development, approval, and clinical use of target therapies. IARC has immediately replied positively to his invitation, and I'm going to explain you why. IARC is the specialized cancer agency of the World Health Organization. Our mission is to promote international collaboration in cancer research. The agency is located in Lyon with 350 personnel from over 50 countries. We work closely together with an outstanding network of collaborators from over 140 countries. The first reason for our contribution to the school is our mandate as the WHO specialized global agency in the area of cancer prevention. We have entered a transformative period in the history of cancer prevention. Immense breakthroughs in our understanding of the pathogenesis of multiple cancer types and the rapid advent of innovative technologies and providing are unprecedented opportunities to make a major impact on the burden of cancer. For example, there are recent remarkable advances in sequencing technology and computational biology. They provide new opportunities to study the biology of pre-malignancy, including deep genomic characterization and better understanding of tumor immune microenvironment. This technology enables the development of novel genetic biomarkers to personalize cancer detection, identifying driver mutations in circulating DNA from patients with premalignant lesions, and define immune gene signatures that are predictive of progression to invasive malignancy. Additional important scientific advances include the identification of early detection biomarkers, more sophisticated risk stratification strategies and algorithms, and better preclinical models, earlier detection of premalignant lesions and early stage cancers, and discovery of new agents and rational development of combinatorial chemopreventive interventions. All these raise our hopes to reduce cancer incidence, morbidity, and mortality in the near future. Cancer is a growing global problem. Cancer prevention and early detection are essential to lessen the burden of cancer in our lifetime. In 2018, more than 18 million new cancer cases were diagnosed worldwide, and almost 10 million people died from the disease. By 2040, those figures will nearly double, with the greatest increase in low and middle income countries, where more than two-thirds of the world cancers will occur. This is due not only to demographic changes, but also to a transition in risk factors. There is a decrease in incidence of cancers linked predominantly to infections and an increase in those linked with environmental factors and obesity. Furthermore, it is predicted that future increases in cancer incidence will disproportionately affect low and middle income countries, representing a significant health, social, and economic burden. In this regard, IARC is unique amongst the leading cancer research institute for its focus on low and middle income countries. We collaborate with over 100 low and middle income countries across 3 continents. IARC's engagement with low and middle income countries is of crucial importance to improve knowledge and build capacity and increase expertise for cancer control with the ultimate goal to save lives and make a difference. In this context, there is a crucial and urgent need to invest in prevention and in new technologies, which can help identify who is at risk for cancer and who needs to be screened. The second reason for IARC to join the school is that this event is in complete line with our education and training mission. Education and training has been a priority since the establishment of IARC. It is an activity that cuts across and is deeply integrated in our various research programs. IARC has a research, training, and fellowship program which allows students and early career scientists from the whole world to acquire skills and experience through collaborative research. IARC also coordinates an active program of courses. Our goal is to enhance research capacity of the global research community, in particularly in low and middle income countries, through lifelong learning in the areas of the agency expertise, such as cancer registration, cancer early detection, and cancer research infrastructure and methods in cancer epidemiology, biobanking, and metabolomics. Every year, IARC organizes over 20 courses in several locations of the world, targeting a wide range of researchers and health professionals at various levels in their career. We are delighted to contribute to the training of professionals who will develop innovative strategies to prevent and control cancer. The third reason for IARC to contribute to this course is that it fits with our open science approach. IARC is at the center of many international studies and collaborations. At the same time, it has solid collaborations with partners located in Lyon and in the region. IARC will be moving to its new premises in Lyon-Gerland in 2022, integrating a district already devoted to health and innovation. And we hope that this will allow us to create new links and attract new partners. IARC strongly supports an open science approach. Open data, open access, open specimens, open minds, open exchanges to an open world. Collaborations have been and will continue to be at the heart of the fight against cancer. This course is a good illustration of what should be done. Foster a multidisciplinary team approach to address multifaceted problems with innovative solutions. I would like to thank again warmly the organizers for the invitation to be here today. I wish you all the very best for the intense course weeks to come, and I look forward to hear about the outcomes of the school. Thank you.